Hello, car enthusiast. This isn't the Tiguan you remember. This is a machine that's been stripped down, reimagined, and rebuilt with one goal: to matter again. The 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan has stepped out of the background, and it's not looking back. The design? Sharper, bolder, purposeful. That new front fascia, with its wide grille and ultra-slim matrix LED headlights, gives it a face that feels upscale, almost Audi-like. The proportions are cleaner now, longer, wheelbase, tighter lines, and a profile that hints at motion even when it's standing still. It's not screaming for attention, it's earning it. Step inside and you'll immediately feel the shift. This cabin is no longer just practical, it's premium. A 15-inch floating touchscreen commands the center, paired with a redesigned digital cockpit that finally feels modern. Soft touch surfaces, recycled materials, and ambient lighting that doesn't just glow, it breathes. But let's talk about what really makes this Tiguan move. Literally. Under the hood, you're looking at a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Output, 201 horsepower, and a solid 295 lb-ft of torque. That torque arrives early, thanks to the electric boost, giving the Tiguan a surprisingly quick jump off the line. The 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox keeps things smooth and responsive, shifting with a level of confidence most crossovers just don't offer. Acceleration is brisk, especially in sport mode, but it's the refinement that impresses most. The ride is composed, the cabin quiet, and with the optional adaptive suspension, it carves through corners without losing its calm. And efficiency? Expect over 30 mpj combined, a serious leap forward for a vehicle this capable. Tech is everywhere, but never overwhelming. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. VSW's latest iQ Drive Suite offers lane centering, adaptive cruise, traffic jam assist, even hands-free driving in limited conditions. It's tech that works with you, not against you. Pricing starts just above $33,000, and fully loaded, you're looking at around $42K. But what you're getting now is more than just a practical, compact SUV. You're getting character, presence, and finally, performance that backs up the design. The 2026 Tiguan doesn't shout, it doesn't chase trends. It carves its own path, with control, with confidence, and with just enough edge to keep things interesting. And if this is what Volkswagen's new era looks like, buckle up. What's coming next might just change the game entirely. Keep your eyes on the road. There's something even more exciting on the horizon.